Now here we can see this is the skeleton of dog. So in the dog we can see these are the coccygeal vertebrae, and in case of dog the coccygeal vertebrae are 20 to 23 in number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 18, 19. So 19 are visible here in this specimen. So coccygeal vertebrae are 20 to 23 in number generally, and neural ring are present in the first 6. As we can see here, neural ring is visible in this wire is going in this manner, as we can see here, that is the neural ring, and it is present in only first 6, and first 3 and 4 have articular process which forms joint. So we can see here they are joint because of articular process. So we can see these are the articular process here. They are helpful for the joining of one vertebrae to another. So articular process are visible in this manner. These are the articular process, these are the transverse process. So articular process we can see here, if you see in this manner it is visible, first, second, third, this is the articular process. And the hemal arch or chevron bone in the form of V or Y, as we can see here, this aspect, in this aspect these are the chevron bone. Here V or Y shaped structure we can see in the ventral aspect in the dog's coccygeal vertebrae. So these are the chevron bones we can see here. So these are the, this is the chevron bone, this V shaped. So this is the found, the hemal arch or chevron bone in the form of V or Y occur ventrally at the intercentral junction. As we can see, this is the another, this is the first one, this is the caudal one. We can see here, this is the V or Y shaped chevron bone that is occur ventral aspect from the, and that we can found in the third, fourth and fifth usually. So this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. So third, fourth and fifth, these chevron bones are visible in case of dogs coccygeal vertebrae. That is a specific feature in case of dogs coccygeal vertebrae. So this is about the coccygeal vertebrae in case of dog, and we have seen this chevron bone also.